Kalakwatsero, kalakwatsera, hayan, sasalubungin natin ang birthday ni Mr. Banchoten, my kalakwatsero. Big wines for happy birthday, Mr. Banchot.
Ganun ba?
Ganun yan, picture muna tayo. Kanyang bisita. It's Saturday at may bisita na si Mr. Banchoten for his birthday, 58th birthday. Thank you for coming. Natutuwa naman ako.
May mga regalo.
Please don't get them for tomorrow.
1, 2, 3. Natutuwa naman ako. 1, 2, 3.
At Sunday, February 2.
Only a life of prayer for the whole of the day? Today's questions. So,
Blessing to all the birthday celebrant at Heto. After ang sila-sala sa
Once again, pasalamat po tayo sa ating mahal na Panginoon.
Yung pong bitters. Yung pong bitters.
Absent din, ano ba yan? Si Ronald, present.
Yeah. Si Aaron wala.
Ate Irma. Okay. Attack!
At sa birthday rin ng aking baby, Wella.
Pablo po.
At pagkatapos naglakwatsa muna kami, punta kami sa Skevenenge. Ayan, hinabol namin ang sunset. Ay nako, ano ba yan? Hindi namin naabutan naman at lumubog na bago kami dumating. Kaya nagpicture na lang. Inabutan na kami ng gabi kaya we went to Den Haag. At kami ay sasalubungin ang birthday for a nice dinner in the Chinese restaurant pero puno sa taas. So dito na lang kami sa baba. The food is nice in Full Moon Restaurant. But syempre hindi naman kami aabutin dito ng hating gabi. Kumain lang sa lubong for his birthday. At heto na, umuwi na kami at sinalubong ang kanyang birthday. Naginising ko siya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, at the next day, meron siyang big party sa Kabayan Dream Float Restaurant. Ayan, ang big party niya kung ilan lang ang kasya sa restaurant kasi maliit lang. Kaya about 25 person lang kami. Sorry sa mga hindi na-imbita kasi maliit lang yung restaurant. So, ayan. Happy birthday, Mr. Banchoten. I hope napasaya ka namin. Kain na po kayo. Start ang dinner. It's just a simple dinner for Mr. Banchoten. My love birthday. At i-open niya ang surprise gift namin for today. Yung binili niyang sa outlet. Hindi siya ang bumili, pero ibinalot namin at hindi niya alam. Nice, ha? Mag-blow the candle muna tayo sa kanyang cake na may 8 and 5. It's 58. Actually.
Happy birthday to you.
Come on, man. 85, huh? We start with the 8.
Wait eh. So dessert is ready.
So, ladies and gentlemen, atake, hè?
Ate, nandito yung sa'yo ah. Yeah. Naghahanap yung pisang ko ng kainuman eh.
Ayun.
Pisang ko eh.
Ayun yun sa German.
Sabi ko, bang! Bang!
Hindi siya pumayag na 85. Baliktarin ko daw, 58 lang siya. Normally, binabaliktad natin yung mga cake para bumata. Ang kanya, pag binaliktad yung 58, magiging 85. Ay nako, tatanda siya, kaya pala ayaw niya at binabaliktad niya ang birthday cake niya. Ang birthday cake number.
Yes, second.
Guys, no fruit. Coffee jelly.
Jelly.
Tapioca.
Maar ja, normale mensen doen het
Zijn de...
all supermarkets here, you start out with like fruit and vegetables. It's like, you never feel welcome.
Zal ik helpen?
There's toxins. Poison everywhere.
En de rest, everybody does it zelf by himself, hè?
This one is
And ako jelly. So, kain-kain na lang. Ako, picture. Ayan, sige. Pulang kayo at kukunan ko kayo ng mga picture. Say cheese, cheers. Picture, picture. Ay, uwi na sila Matthew. Ang unang uuwi. Thank you for coming. At ang aking pinsan, si Bang Bang. Thank you for coming din sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Picture muna tayo. At ang aking teddy bear. So lucky that nagpunta siya today. My teddy bear, Luke. Thank you so much, Doreen, Luke, and Nick. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for coming to Ronald's birthday. So happy to see you again, my teddy bear. Thanks for coming, Bang. Ingat sa pag-uwi. Ingat kayo.
One eternity later.
It's February 5 at may birthday na naman kami. Celebration for Mr. Banchoten birthday with his family, Banchoten. Ayan, thank you sa regalo. Ang ganda naman. It's the antique from his grandparents. O, diba? So, we are here in Roy Funnel and having our dinner. At ayan, ang kanyang gift. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for the gift also. Robin from his son and Astrid and Kiert. Thank you for being here and having dinner with Mr. Banchoten. And this is the Banchoten family. Picture muna tayo. So we get a 5-course menu. The first is a mushroom piti that Robin don't eat mushroom. And after that is the tartar beef, and he also don't eat it. And now we have the soup. Yeah, it's a cream soup. Wow, at least eat a little. It's also yummy cream soup. Actually, it's same like pumpkin soup. Yeah, it's so yummy. And the main course is the fish in mashed potato. It's also nice and yummy with a crochet. Crochet? Yeah, in Netherlands. So that's also so yummy. And at least Robin can eat the potato but not the fish. So pity Robin cannot eat much here because she don't eat fish. Sorry guys. Sorry dear Robin. Because yesterday all the food is for you in the other party actually. Yeah, and now you cannot eat here. So you can eat the dessert, Robin. But we wait a minute because something is coming up. Just a moment, we take some picture first. Thank you so much for the greetings and song. Thank you so much. This is our dessert. And thank you so much for coming, the Banchotan family. Ayan, this is really yummy. Their dessert is yummy. Happy 58th birthday again, my dear Banchotan.